Have you ever wondered how it feels like to fall into a black hole? Wait, what is black hole? Falling into a black hole sounds pretty scary, but knowing what it actually is truly fascinating. Because in today's video, I'm going to share something amazing to you guys, and it is all about black hole. So first thing first, what is black hole? Perhaps some of you might think that it is just a floating object that's floating around in space. Well, some other might say it is the whole of the universe, or a black object that's floating around, pulling other object and consumes it inside of it and become fat like a pig. Well, that reason I'm wrong, because I used to think like that too. But after I done some research, it's more than just an object, it's more than just a hole. And it's not an object that pulling other objects around inside of it like a vacuum cleaner. According to NASA, black hole is the most extreme dense object in the universe. The smallest black hole, let's say half the size of an atom, could have the mass equal that of a mountain. Let's say for the average size black hole that have the mass equal 5 times of our sun, its gravitational pull is enormous, that the escape velocity is equal or exceed the speed of light. As we all know, nothing in the universe exceeds the speed of light. In other words, escaping a black hole is impossible. So for this reason, it means that we can see a black hole, because of the reason that its gravity is so strong that it wouldn't allow a black hole itself to reflect or emit electromagnetic radiation such as X-ray, gamma ray, radio wave, and light. And this is the real picture of a black hole that scientists have taken last year using Event Horizon telescope. This black hole located at the center of galaxy M87. Wait, you said that we can see black holes, so what is this all about? Where does that light come from? So black hole that we see here is outlined by the emission of hot gas swirling around it under the influence of its strong gravity near its event horizon. So how can this monstrous, large, dangerous object be created? Well, according to physics, everything around us, everything including your pencil, can become a black hole. If any matters or energy or an object squeeze hard enough and compress hard enough into a small tiny point, it can become a black hole. But for those giant black holes that were floating around in space actually come from a dying star. When a star starts collapsing and run out of its fuel, it will collapse into itself. Its gravity will continue to do its job by compressing it until it reaches its very limit to a small tiny point. For example, if a star that has the mass like 6 to 7 times the mass of our sun turn into the size of the Earth, just imagine how dense it will become. Okay, after we know what it been created, let's ask another question. Where all the gravity come from? Before we know where all that gravity come from, we have to know what are the structure of black hole. Unlike other objects in space, such as Earth, planets, or asteroids, black hole is not substantial. It has 2 necessary points: the core of it, called singularity, and the event horizon, the sphere that surrounds the black hole that marks all the escape velocity equal to the speed of light, or we can say the point of no return according to the scientists. When an object is approaching black hole and enter the event horizon, and it when all the physics that we all know are broken down. If you were caught by a black hole, you will be sent into a free fall of its center. The pulling force will increase as you move toward it and create what it called tidal force. That means the gravity works differently on every part of your body. Assuming you falling head first, it would make your head accelerate faster than your toe, and your body will start stretching like a noodle. And this process is also called something, according to the scientists, it will call spaghettification. And the experience will work differently to the person who is witnessing. For example, Jack is your friend and he is watching you falling into a black hole. What he actually sees is you approaching a black hole until he sees you enter the event horizon and start freezing there, not moving, where the scientists say you enter the point of no return. And then he sees you continue to disappear at that point without even noticing you falling or not into a black hole. Strange, yet fascinating to know. Well, this is all for this video, and I will make a black hole part 2 where I will focus on the singularity and the event horizon. It will be coming in the future, so stay tuned. So in the end, I want to see what your thought of this video or about the black hole. Please don't forget to comment on the comment section down below this video. If you have any idea, please go ahead and comment it. Finally, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a like button or subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos just like this. And finally, catch you guys in the next video. Push.